all of my life. I've learned that in this day and time, no man can live without the friend of mine. Jesus, Jesus, the one and only Savior. Everybody should know that He's the place to go. Everybody say, how can you live? How can you do it? How can you? How will you? How can you live? How can you live? Every waking morning, I'm found in this life. You can have your car, have your home, have everything you need, but those things will pass away. Leave you all by yourself, by your way. You need strength, you need power. Somebody's gonna be right there every hour. How can you live? How can you live without Jesus? Without Jesus, Lord, I know I need you. Every waking hour, I need you, and I can't live without you. I can't imagine. Can't imagine. Think one more minute, Lord, I can't live without you. I may have all the necessity that you promised to give me. I'm not just counting the blessings as the thing that I need most. It's you I need most. How can I live? I can't imagine without you. Being without Jesus. Come on, sing. Yeah. I can't imagine. I can't imagine. I can't imagine being without you. See, I know I've been down and low. I know how it feels to be alone. And I never ever wanna feel that again. I need you. I need you. Touch me, Lord, my. I need. I can't live without you. Yeah. Every waking morning I need you, and I can't live without you. I can't imagine. I can't imagine. Lord, I can't live without you.